Hey guys, today it will be vacuum cleaner. I'm sick and tired to pay on a gas station for this dirty vacuum cleaner which cleans nothing, and I hope that this new vacuum cleaner will help me. Let's see. It's easy to open, not heavy, which is very good because I'm a girl. Extra filter, brush. Oh, so cute, look. Super cool. This is the best thing ever, okay? Who usually vacuum their cars at the gas stations, they know that it's impossible to clean it properly because it's super wide and uncomfortable. Oh, look, also they have this nozzle. It's not like that. So you may do it extra. Also move it like that.